Good morning, students. Now, the same topic is scalar product, that means dot products. Yesterday, I discussed exercise 10.3 and left three questions. Question number 13, question number 17, and question number 15. Now, look here, question number 13 is a very important. Vector A, vector B, vector C are unit vector. And such that A plus B plus C equals to 0. Find the value of A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A. First thing now given is the vector A, vector B and vector C are unit vector. So first thing is what is the meaning of what is unit vector? Then unit vector, that means magnitude is 1. Vector A, vector B, vector C are unit vector is given, that means magnitude of vector A, magnitude of vector B and magnitude of vector C equals to 1. And now second thing, now again is the second thing is given is vector A plus vector B plus vector C equals to 0 vector. And find the value of A dot B, B dot C plus C dot A. So in this question can be solved by two methods, but it's a very easy method. Ki A plus B plus C equals to 0 is given. Now dot product by vector A plus vector B plus vector C on both the sides. Right, A plus B plus C is 0 given, तो आप A plus B plus C से डॉट प्रोडक्ट कर लीजिए. दिस साइड A plus B plus C dot A plus B plus C equals to 0 से मल्टीप्लाई हो गया, that is 0. Now multiply, that is A dot A dot B, A dot C. Same thing, vector B is multiplied by, then B dot A, B dot B, B dot C. Same thing is again dot product by vector C, then C dot A, C dot B plus C dot C equals to 0. Then, student is a very important is dot product. What are the value of A dot A? That is the magnitude of A square. Same thing, B dot B is the magnitude of B square. And C dot C is the magnitude of C square. And now A dot B and B dot A are equal. Commutative law will be applied. So that is twice of A dot B. Same thing, B dot C and C dot B are equal. That is twice of B dot C. And third thing, C dot A and A dot C are equal. So that is twice of C dot A equals to 0. Now the magnitude of A is given 1, magnitude of B is 1, magnitude of C is 1, then 1 plus 1, that is 3. So now is twice of A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A equals to minus 3. Then is the value of A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A equals to minus 3 by 2. This is answer. Now the next question, question number, again important question, question number 15. Now vertices of a triangle ABC are given. एक triangle के 3 vertices are given है. Now this is question number 15 is again important question, right? So now this is triangle. Now the coordinate of A point is given 1, 2 and 3. Coordinate of B point is minus 1, 0, 0 and coordinate of C point is 0, 1, 2. And find the angle ABC. Angle ABC find करना, that means B पर ये angle को find करना है. And now is the angle between the vector BA. This is direction BA and BC. B point पे angle find करना, तो BA and BC find करना होगा. But now student, first thing, आपको angle find करना है. You know student, what are the formula of angle between two vector? That is the cos theta equals to vector A dot vector B upon magnitude of A into magnitude of B. Right? So now look here, first thing, these are the vertices are in Cartesian form. Now write in vector form. So position vector of point A, that is vector OA, and vector OA 1 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. You know, student, I cap, j cap, k cap are unit vector. I cap is a unit vector along x-axis, j cap is a unit vector along y-axis, and k cap is a unit vector along z-axis. Now find the position vector of point B. Now write is the vector OB is minus I cap plus 0 j cap plus 0 k cap. And same thing is the position vector of point C. Now this is vector OC. So 0 I cap plus 1 j cap plus 2 k cap. First thing vector form में लिखा है. But now find angle ABC. Angle ABC find करना है B point पे angle. तो now find only BA and BC. So now write vector BA. You know, student, write vector BA, that is OA minus OB. That means OA is given, OB is given. OA minus AB, that is a 2 I cap. 2j minus 0 z, that is a 2j cap. And 3j minus 0 k cap, that is a 3k cap. This is vector BA. And now find vector BC. That means vector OC minus vector OB. Vector OC minus OB, that is a plus I cap plus j cap and 2 minus 0, that is a 2k cap. So, but now find angle. So, now find vector BA dot vector BC. You know, student, dot product of two vector, right? कोई भी दो वेक्टर का डॉट प्रोडक्ट वही स्टूडेंट कर सकता है जिसे ये मालूम हो कि व्हाट इज द आई डॉट आई, जे डॉट जे एंड के डॉट के. यू नो स्टूडेंट, आई डॉट आई, जे डॉट जे एंड के डॉट के इज 1, बट आई डॉट जे डॉट के डॉट आई 0. इसीलिए डॉट प्रोडक्ट में आई डॉट आई को आई से मल्टीप्लाई, दैट इज 2. जे डॉट जे इज 1, दैट इज 2, and k dot k is a 1, 3 to the 6. Then this is B value of BA dot BC. And now find the magnitude of BA, vector BA, and magnitude of vector BC. You know, student, magnitude, that is under root square of 2, 4 square of 2, 4 square of 3 is 9. That is a root 17 is a vector magnitude of BA. Magnitude of BC, that is a 1 plus 1 plus 4, that is a root 6. And now angle between two vector. You know, student, angle between two vector, that is a formula is cos theta equals to vector A dot vector B upon magnitude of A into magnitude of P. Cos theta is angle ABC, and vector A, that is a vector BA, vector B is a vector BC upon magnitude of vector BA into magnitude of vector BC. Now BA dot BC is a value is 10. Magnitude of BA is under root 17, and this is under root of 6. So 10 upon then 102. This is angle between two vector. Then cos this side transfer, that is a cos inverse 10 upon under root 102. And last question is a 17. Question number 17. Now show that the three vectors from the vertices of a right triangle. Same question हमने 10.2 में किया था, right? This question can be solved by two method. One is the very simple method कि आपको right triangle prove करना है. Vertices are given. Vertices are given, that means coordinate of A point, coordinate of B point, and coordinate of C point are given, right? Vertices are given, that means vector OA, vector OB, and vector OC are given. And now find the, now prove the right triangle. So, our first thing, question number 17, vector OA are given, vector OB is given, and vector OC is given. Vector OA is given 2i cap minus j cap plus k cap. Vector OB is given I cap minus 3j cap and 5k cap. And vector OC is given 3i cap minus 4j cap and minus 4k cap. Now look at student, vertices of a triangle are given, and now prove that these three vertices, this is a right angle triangle. Right angle prove करना है, right triangle prove करने के लिए, then first thing now find three sides. So now find three sides, then find the vector AB, find vector BC and vector CA. Right? Now find the vector AB. You know, student, vector AB, that is O vector OB minus vector OA. Now OB minus OA, that is a minus I cap. Minus 3 plus 1, that is a minus 2j cap. Minus 5 minus k, that is a minus 6k cap. This is vector AB. Now find vector BC and find vector CA. Now vector BC is OC, terminal point पहले आता है, vector OC minus vector OB. And vector CA, that is OA minus OC. Now OC minus OB, OC minus OB, 3i minus I, that is a 2i cap. Right, minus 4j plus 3j minus j cap. Minus 4k plus 5k, that is k cap. And now vector OA minus OC, OA minus OC, 2i minus 3i, that is a minus I cap. Minus j plus 4j plus 3j. And plus k minus plus 4k, that is 5k. So now look here, this is 3 vector AB, vector BC and vector CA. Now find the magnitude of vector AB. You know, student, magnitude, that is the under root square of coefficient of I cap, square of coefficient of j cap, square of coefficient of k cap. And that means is under root square of 1, square of 2, 4, square of 6 is 36. Then 36 plus 4, 40, 40 plus 1, that is a 41. But this is the value of magnitude of AB. अगर आप रूट को हटाना चाहते हो तो what are the square of magnitude of AB is 41. Same thing, now find the magnitude of BC. Right, डायरेक्ट स्क्वायर फाइंड कर रहा हूँ, रूट नहीं लगा रहा. BC का मैग्नीट्यूड फाइंड करेंगे तो स्क्वायर ऑफ 2 is 4, स्क्वायर ऑफ -1 is 1, स्क्वायर ऑफ 1 is 1, that is the value is 6. Same, now find the magnitude of square of CA. Then 1 plus the square of 3, 9, square of 5, 25. 25 plus 10, that is 35. But now 35 plus 6, इन दोनों के सम का स्क्वायर इसके इक्वल होगा. 35 plus 6 is 41, राइट. यानी कि मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए बी स्क्वायर is equal to magnitude of BC square plus magnitude of CA square. Then by Pythagoras theorem, triangle ABC is a right triangle. तो right triangle prove करना है. Now find three sides, right, and find magnitude. And sum of square of 2, this is equals to third side, square of third side, that is triangle ABC is a right triangle. Now student, this is a dot product, and dot product, right, maximum question is totally depend on formula, but it's another product is a cross product. Cross product जिसको हम vector product भी कहते हैं. And student, dot product में first formula, what are A dot B? A dot B equals to magnitude of A, magnitude of B cos theta. Same cross product में जिसको other name is a vector product. Cross product या vector product of two, then cross product denoted by A cross B, and is the first formula of cross product A cross B. And you know student, A cross B is a magnitude of A, magnitude of B cos की जगह sin theta. But where n cap, you know student, n cap, this is a unit factor. Cross product में this is the direction, right, this is thumb, right. यहाँ पर एक x axis को डिनोट कर रहा है, एक y axis को डिनोट कर रहा है, एक z axis को डिनोट कर रहा है. There are three axes, but depend on direction कि vector A is given, vector B is given, but theta is the angle between two vectors. This is vector A, this is vector B, right. But it is another direction, right. This is the unit factor n cap. It's dependent on direction, right. So what is the A cross B? Then A cross B is a magnitude of A, magnitude of B, sin theta n cap, where n cap is unit factor. That means magnitude is 1. Dot product में A dot B and B dot A are equal, but cross product में A cross B is equals to B cross A लिखते हो, then using negative sign. Direction change, then sign change. What are the condition of two vector are perpendicular? What are the condition of two vector are parallel? स्टूडेंट हमने डॉट प्रोडक्ट में बोला टू वेक्टर आर परपेंडिकुलर दैट ए डॉट बी इज जीरो, राइट, क्योंकि परपेंडिकुलर होगा थीटा 90 होगा. सेम क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट में ए एंड बी आर पैरेलल, दैट मीन्स थीटा इज जीरो एंड साइन जीरो इज जीरो, सो दैट इज द कंडीशन ए क्रॉस बी इज जीरो. तो ए क्रॉस बी इज जीरो, दिस इज द कंडीशन ऑफ टू वेक्टर आर पैरेलल. But A dot B is 0, that is the condition of two vector are perpendicular. But this condition, the perpendicular then theta is 90, then A cross B equals to magnitude of A, magnitude of B. हम ज़्यादातर इस कंडीशन को यूज करते हैं. नाउ फोर्थ थिंग, डॉट प्रोडक्ट में I dot I, J dot J and K dot K is 1. सेम डॉट प्रोडक्ट में A डॉट A, व्हाट इज A डॉट A इज अ मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ A स्क्वायर. क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट में A क्रॉस A, सेम वेक्टर का क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट इज जीरो. A डॉट A इज अ मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ A स्क्वायर बट A क्रॉस A इज जीरो. फिफ्थ थिंग, क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट में I क्रॉस I, J क्रॉस J and K cross K is 0. But what are the value of I cross J? What are the value of J cross K and K cross I? This is the cyclic order. I cross J is K. J cross K is I and K cross I is J. So, but I cross J is K, then J cross I, this is minus K. Right? K cross J, this is minus I. And I cross K, this is minus G. So this is cross product. So in cross product में is another identity. What are the angle between two vector? Dot product में angle between two vector का formula, that is a cos theta equals to A dot B upon magnitude of A, magnitude of B. Same cross product में what is the angle between two vector? Then sin theta equals to magnitude of A cross B. Angle between two vector is a formula sin theta equals to magnitude of A cross B upon magnitude of A into magnitude of vector B. Now seventh thing, cross product में what is the formula of area of triangle, right? When vector A is given, vector B given, what are the formula of area of triangle ABC? Then two adjacent sides are given, then 1 by 2 magnitude of A cross B. This is the formula of area of triangle where vector A and vector B are adjacent side of a triangle, right? But same thing, what is the area of parallelogram? Then area of parallelogram, then there are two formula. Area of parallelogram is the first formula, that is the 1 by 2 magnitude of A cross B. But is another formula than one only magnitude of A cross B. But are different. This formula, then vector A and vector B are adjacent side, and this formula vector A and vector B are diagonals. When diagonal is given, then area formula of area of parallelogram 1 by 2 magnitude of A cross B. But adjacent side are given, then is the area of parallelogram is the magnitude of A cross B. So student, this is क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट. बट क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट में हम जब भी ए क्रॉस बी फाइंड करेंगे तो ओनली डिटरमिनेंट्स ए क्रॉस बी फाइंड करने के लिए यूजिंग ओनली डिटरमिनेंट, फर्स्ट रो आई कैप जे कैप के कैप, सेकेंड रो कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ वेक्टर ए एंड थर्ड इज द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ वेक्टर बी. So student, next class में now discuss is a cross product, that is a vector product. Thank you.